What's up, guys? Welcome to the YouTube. This is my first video, and we are going to be unboxing this King Bull Hunter 2.0 S e-bike. Let's get into it. All right, now we're just going to take this off. We're just going to take all the tape that's on here. Just going to do this while y'all are watching. There we go. Put that away and just open this bad boy up. I got almost everything. There we go. What is it saying here? It says, your ride, your world, your way. Pretty clean. Oh yeah, we can see the bike. Holy crap, guys. You don't understand how excited I am for this. Let's take this up. All right, we got some accessories in here. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. And you know, the bike itself is down there. I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. I'm just gonna take this, like, I don't know. Let's just set everything aside for now. And we can work on what we need to, pretty much. This is gonna be just doing something, I don't know now. All right, oh yeah, that's heavy. All right, I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. Guys, this bike literally comes with its own tire pump. How cool is that? Just keep putting everything to the side. I think this, yeah, it's zip tied on, okay. That was pretty dumb of me to try. Let's try and cut it off. Here, I'll try and set up the camera so you guys can actually get a better view of what I'm doing. All right, guys. So I just set up the camera, and let's get to work. right, guys, I'm gonna be putting on the handlebars this way. I'm just gonna take these bolts out, screw it onto the back, and yeah, I'll show you guys how I do it. All right, we just took 3 of them out. We have enough clearance right now to slide in the handlebars pretty much onto where it's supposed to be at. So yeah, let's get to it. And bang, pretty much just make sure that this twist throttle is on the right side, because that's where your hand is going to be twisting, you know what I mean? And, you know, make sure that the brakes are correct. We have some pretty beefy brakes here, pretty nice. Let's check the side. Yep, likewise, pretty sweet. Yeah, let's start installing these forks. But pretty much what I did is I also tightened these bolts down, so now they're pretty good. Shouldn't be moving anywhere. Oh yeah, all right. Let's get that bottom part set up now. Let's go. All right, now that pretty much we have the front forks aligned to where we want it to be at, we come back here and we just tighten these bolts down that clamp onto the handlebar. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so there was this axle down there, and pretty much what you had to do is just screw these in and then screw the out ones a little bit out, and you just pull it straight down from the bottom and it should come off. And then we're gonna be using the axle on the tire, but first we're gonna put some grease on that axle and yeah, reinstall it. We'll see how it goes. All right, and there we have it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching the TikTok and the YouTube pretty much. There's like a long bolt that you're gonna need to have this part screwed on, and then there's 2 bolts in the back here that you need to screw in to make that top front fender work. So yeah, I'll show you guys some ride videos soon, but it looks really nice in my opinion. 10 out of 10 product.